Hi everyone, in this video we will give you the best solution for your NVIDIA driver problem. So you may go to NVIDIA driver and it's not working, and you start hang around and try to find the solutions. And actually I watch so many videos on YouTube and all of them are trying to get views or making the video as long as possible. So I'll try to give you the best solution. Actually the problem is originated from that you don't have the latest driver installed in your computer. So the best way is to get your driver from NVIDIA website. And instead of downloading and installing, you can download the GeForce Game Ready driver. You go to NVIDIA website and you download it, and it's very, very easy, simple to use. And here is it. And you're going to create an NVIDIA website. Here is mine, is Mohammed922 Papa, and you go here at the home of the application and you go to drivers and full updates. If your driver is out of date, you will find here a new update like this one. It's released 5 days ago, so the best one. And you're going to download it and install. But because I already did it 2 days ago, it says checking for updates, you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. You just install it and you open it. Don't go and download it from different websites or using different applications. Just go to the source, the main source of your That's it, and see you.